In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use standalone functions in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a function you can run independently of workflows or blueprints, perfect for one-off tasks, utilities, or logic you want to reuse across different parts of your CRM. Start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, open your setup area by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This takes you to the main configuration hub where all developer tools live. In the Setup panel, look for Functions. This is where you manage all your custom logic written in Deluge, Zoho's scripting language designed for CRM automation. Click Functions, then choose Create Function. You'll see a form asking for a display name and a function name. The display name is what your teammates will see, so make it descriptive and human-friendly, like Update Contact Ratings or Sync Open Deals. The function name is the technical identifier. Keep it concise, avoid spaces, start with a letter, and stick to characters that are easy to read and maintain. Using a consistent naming convention now will save you headaches later as your library of functions grows. Next, select the category. Click the category field and choose Standalone. This is important. Standalone means the function isn't tied to a specific trigger like a workflow rule. You can run it on demand, call it from other components, or reference it when you need a flexible utility. If you chose another category by mistake, your function might not be available where you expect it, so double-check that selection. Once your details are set, click Create. You'll land in the function editor. This is where you add your Deluge script. Keep your logic focused and modular. Use comments at the top to document what the function does, required inputs, and any assumptions, so future you, or a teammate, can understand it instantly. If your function touches data, be explicit about which modules and fields you read or update. For clarity and easier troubleshooting, consider adding simple logs or structured error handling so you can quickly trace what happened if something doesn't behave as expected. When you're happy with the script, click Save. Saving compiles your code and preserves the latest version. If the editor flags any errors, review the highlighted lines and correct syntax or missing variables before saving again. That's it. You've created a standalone function in Zoho CRM, ready to be used wherever it adds the most value.